Hi friends, I'm Anna Hellman. I'm so thankful for you watching along with the videos I share, and I wanted to come in quick to make a quick announcement about a sale on lots of Stampin' Up! Products happening over the next few days. Okay, it has already started. If you're watching this video, it is today through this coming Friday, November 18th. Now, a huge portion of our products in our annual catalog are on sale right now. So let me give you the details real quick, and then you can use the link in the video description below to go and to shop. So all punches in our annual catalog are on sale 10%. All stamps in our annual catalog are on sale 15%, with the exception of the Hostess stamps, the ones you can get free with any order over $150. Those are not on sale, but all other stamps, 15% off. Dies are 20% off. Embossing folders are 20% off. Non-specialty designer papers, so all the ones that don't have like foils and glimmer and all that, all of those designer papers are 20% off. This is a really great time to stock up on some of these supplies. Maybe you have some crafty friends, you could get some discount items and use them as gifts or stock up for yourself. A couple of things I wanted to mention. I did not find this specifically, but I am 90% sure if you would want to sign up with Stampin' Up! I have a lot of people who sign up on my team just to get a discount on their supplies. I believe you can add discounted items to a starter kit right now. So what that means is with the starter kit, you can choose $125 in products. It's only going to cost you $99. You get free shipping, which saves you quite a bit. But right now during the sale, if my understanding is correct, I did some math, you could add regular price $156 worth of products. If all those products are discounted 20% off, like the dies and the embossing folders, that would come down below $125. You would get all of that for $99 plus tax, and that would save you a lot. And then if you want to keep ordering with the discount, you can order in the future anything you want 20% off. So just wanted to let you know, if you have questions, let me know. I don't always do a great job of announcing these things in my videos, which is a great reason to make sure you follow me other places and get my email updates, which you can get on my website, scrappingstampingandstuff.com. Put a couple of links down here below to go straight to the sale and to go to my website as well if you want to sign up for those updates. Happy shopping. I hope you have a great week, and I'll have videos coming out here the next couple of days. Enjoy them.